Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Lights Icy. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, here to talk about his top four radio scanner ideas and top four stuff that he recommends you guys get for like your hotel visit or like for instance like either a road trip to like a cabin into like the Smoky Mountains or like to anywhere that is like in the Gallenberg Pigeon Forge or maybe right around the corner in Brown County or in McCormick's Creek. So like for instance like number one like what I would pack and thanks to a family member, she helped me out. So a family member told me, Tommy, why don't you do a thing of like bring a person over to like your different radio frequencies to help them out. Like like I was like, why not? Because they're like different people that likes to help out with different stuff. Like for instance, the Biblical Hotel, I got me somebody really nice that actually works there, which actually helps me out. His name is Mike Campbell. So like for instance on here, um, two queen beds is like $318. Accessible two bedroom with hearing accessibility, 318. So all of it is looking like that is like $318. Like if you guys get it like by today, like for instance, if you guys do like, hold on, if you guys do for like a YouTube in a hotel room near the airport, you guys got, for instance, like on here, they got uh, for like a day use on day use website. They got, for instance, like they're at the Hill and Chicago Airport. They got that on there, which I I would not recommend you guys stay like near the Chicago O'Hare Airport. But if you guys are like really, really, really close, I would recommend you guys do like a full radio scanner review. You guys should do like different stuff to test it out. Like bring like if you guys otherwise if you guys are flying, I would not recommend you guys bring this there. It's one of these Home Patrol 2s. Or like the other radio scanner that I would not recommend you guys bring is like the washing, like near, like near the different places. Like for instance, you guys got like different radio frequencies which are like inside the Washington Dulles Airport, which is like really nuts. So like for instance, they got from 10 a.m. to 8 a.m. They got like $105, which it says on here for $85. You guys can get that, which is really nice. So like also you guys could stay at a resort that I stayed at, which I would recommend. It's called the Candlewood Suites. And I gotta tell you guys something. The Candlewood Suites Washington Fairfax. So this place, I have to say that is one of my favorite places. So a family member told me about this, and I was like, why not don't I stay here and we see like what it is like. So like for instance, like on there they got 71% a 5-star review, 4% is like a 3-star, 4-star is like a 20%, 2-star, 1-star are like 2%. So like for instance, if we look on here, like we click on the IHGG website, so like looking on here, this area was like really nice, okay? They also got parking, which is free, which I think which is really nice for like different people that goes there. So they also got the Washington Metro Rail, which I think which is really nice. They also got like the train system, which is a really nice train system. Now, the Washington Dulles Airport, which has like so much. I mean, they got so much radio frequencies. I just gotta make another video about it, you guys. That's the reason why, okay? Fairfax, Virginia. So if we look on here for Fairfax, they got like a couple of radio stations on here, like WFLS, which is today's today's new country. They also got like WFRE, free country. They also got like WMZQ, and that's the one that I recommend you guys check out if you guys are going to like Washington DC for the day. Now for instance, like the reason why that I would recommend this, it's because I like the DJs on there. Like they're really nice, okay? Like for number one, my favorite DJ has to be their morning show, which is called The Wake Up Crew. So like for instance, they do the Wake Up Crew headlines. They also do bios. So there's like a lots and lots of stuff that these people do, which I think which is really nice. Like for instance, they do Rise Up with John Ritter. That is like one of my all-time favorite shows. Like for instance, they got like Country Countdown USA with Lon Helton, which I could hear on our local radio station, WHCC 105. Like for instance, they got like lots and lots of good radio stuff here in my area. That's you guys, plus also if you guys are looking around like for different radio stations, I would recommend you guys go on this website. It's called radiolocator.com. They give some of the bestest radio frequencies ever. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow.